Hi, thank you for joining us again today. We've just done our mini nature trail and then we decided to have a picnic in the garden. So Tia, did you enjoy your nature trail? We found lots of stones and sticks and everything and some leaves as well, Tia found. So it's really hot today, isn't it?
I'm so hot and thirsty. I really want to go outside and see all those little birds.
It's a little bird, yeah, it is really hot. And I feel thirsty. But the birds also get thirsty and sometimes they have to fly far and wide just to find water. Well, we're really lucky because we just get it on tap.
You know, let's use this bottle and plate to make a water feeder for the birds to quench their thirst.
That's a great idea, Tia. We can actually even use these leaves and the sticks that we found earlier to use on our water feeder. So come along with us and let's go and make a water feeder for the little birdies.
So this is a bird feeder we've made. We will put water in here, and from these holes, the water will come out and it will come onto the plate. So the birds can drink and have a bath. And here, these sticks are so the birds can perch on when they're drinking it. So now, we're going to put some water in this bottle and then we're going to hang it on this tree.
So we've put water on the bottle. Now we're going to screw it onto the lid, which I've glued onto this plate. It's a little bit fiddly. You'll probably have to get a grown up to do this. Once you've done it, turn it upside down and you'll see all the water falling out. And the lid falling out. Okay, just like this. Now we're going to hang it on the tree. So it's a good idea to keep your water feeder in a shady place and also quite low. Keep the water level quite low as well because birds like shallow water and not too deep. Okay, and now we're just waiting for all the little birds to come and bathe and sip some water.
This was the best as a waste activity, and we basically use plastic bottles and plastic plates that we would usually throw in the rubbish.
And we've also picked up sticks and leaves which we found on our nature trail. So we haven't plucked anything from the trees and we've basically used all the resources that we had. Thanks for joining us. Have fun making your bird feeder and until next time, we'll see you. Take care. Bye.